I wish I brought more, but I had never seen these before. But these are really good. For my second bag of chips, as you can tell, I got a little hungry on the plane. But these are essentially like the puff Cheetos. Like this. Okay. I expected them to look like this. Would you like to see what they actually look like? They're not even the same color. But they are very good. They're just very dry. But if I had to choose between these and the other ones, it would be the first ones. And lastly, the best snack of all. The best drink of all. The most magnificent. This is the best creation. I'm sure if Jesus had a favorite drink, it would be a Coke from Mexico. I'm so sure of it. So cheers. 10 out of 10.